recently just gotten our numbers for 2021. At times they may take long because we work with very many stakeholders, about 28 countries across the world. But the numbers that have come through show that we've grown our fair trade coffee sales 2021 versus 2020 by about 11%, which is good, which shows some sort of sign of recovery from COVID. And even the numbers that we have for 2022 so far, we are seeing a growth over 2021 numbers. So a big clap, first of all, to the producers for being able to deliver quality coffee that we are able then to sell as fair trade. And with the increase of fair trade, the 11% increase, the farmers have also been able to earn about 5.2 million euros worth of premiums in 2021. And that's one of the things that really sets us apart from all the other industry players. That even as you sell and ensuring that you're selling at a price that is sustainable, it is that extra premium that comes to the community to be able to address some of the pressing needs within the community.